We are fresh from Japan, okay? Right now, inaayos pa natin yung mga stocks natin. Pakita mo sa kanila. Pakita mo tol, pakita mo yan. Marami tayong binili na bagong pairs. And we are not done yet, okay? So, inuna natin tong mga Chrome. We are dropping 100 plus of brand new merch and also 100 plus of new sneakers, okay? Pero, unahin na natin pakita sa inyo itong mga Chrome na dumating, okay? So, Yami Tracker Cup CH. And then, this one. Actually, dapat tatlo yung mabibili natin nito. Nag-flake lang yung isang seller. Okay, so nabenta niya yung dalawa, unfortunately. But we are still able to cap one on a different price na. Sayang. Mura pa naman sana yan. Tapos ito rin, cemetery na camo. And then we have Toke exclusive zip hoodie. Sobrang hirap maghanap ng mga zip hoodie ngayon. But we are lucky to be able to cap one retail in store. Diba? Floral zip hoodie. And then we have this multi-cross horseshoe. Multi-horseshoe logo. Yan. Zip din siya. And then we have, pero if you're interested, this is mine. Okay. Size small. Leather patch. And then, dito din. Zip din. And then, color pink na online exclusive naman. Na horseshoe din. Tapos, we also have this Poti na tee. And then available 507 kasi yung 517 natin is sold na. 507 Chrome Arts na pants. So mura lang to guys, mga 1.3 lang. So yun lang. So thank you for watching. The next time.